Today, I'll show you how to install the official YouTube app on Windows 11. This also works perfectly for Windows 10, so if you're on the older OS, stick around. Let's get started. We all know how frustrating it is to have to open a browser every single time you want to access YouTube. Today, we're fixing that for good. First, open your browser of choice. In my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge. In the address bar, type youtube.com. As soon as the page loads, look at the end of the search bar. You will see an Install YouTube app icon. This process is nearly identical on Chrome, Brave, and most other popular browsers. Click that button, then hit Install. While Windows downloads the necessary files, let's take a quick second to hear from today's sponsor. Are you tired of that Activate Windows watermark? Stop paying full price. I use Loaded to get legit Windows 10/11 keys and cheap games for up to 90% off. If you want the cheapest keys delivered instantly, check my exclusive link in the description right now. Now that the installation is complete, a new window will pop up indicating it's finished successfully. Before you close it, you just need to check a few settings. If you want the app pinned to your Start menu and taskbar for instant access, leave those first two boxes checked. Crucial step: make sure the option for Auto Start on Login is unchecked. This prevents the app from slowing down your boot time and running in the background whenever you start your PC. And that's it. You now have a fully functional YouTube app on Windows for seamless streaming. If this fix saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials. YouTube's algorithm thinks your system needs more optimization, so it's recommending this next video specifically for you. I'll see you over there.